You guys, what's up? So I've been gone for a while because YouTube just doesn't interest me anymore. I don't make money anymore, and I should make at least $200 a month based on how many views I get. And they just took away my ad revenue because I don't have 1,000 subs, which is bullshit. But these are the Yeezy clays, and these are the only Yeezys that I got excited about in so long. But yeah, these are really clean shoes. This is everything that, in my opinion, this is everything that the Sesame wanted to be. Because an earth tone shoe, it's flush. Right here it's flush. Like, it's not like that weird like gum color. Definitely a sleeper shoe, but everyone's getting hot on it right now. So you have it, hold it. If you want it, buy it right now.
That little bitch is the chooser. They hitting cause I got that bag now. Look at they faces, they mad now. I came a long way, I got swag now. Look at my feet, I got raps now. Look at my feet, I got raps now. Look at my feet, I got raps now. How can I switch up on my game? For my squad, I will let it bang. If I get caught, I will never sing. Cause I will never switch up on my game. How can I switch up on my game?